What up, good people? It's the Country CEO. I hope you guys are doing well on this Sunday morning. Look, CEO got my Reverend Doctor hat on Sunday in my study here, getting ready for service at 11. But look, I wanted to lay something on you guys this morning. Always inspiration and motivation through the Word of God, man. I was thinking about today, many times we find ourselves in a situation in this world where we see folks just condemning folk, right? Cancel culture is a big thing now. And seems like there's just no forgiveness. There's no giving the benefit of the doubt. There's no more innocent to proven guilty, right? Somebody get caught down bad, or something looks fishy, or something, somebody's wronged somebody, then boom, kill them. And condemn them, right? But word don't talk about that. I'll be talking to my people today about Galatians 6:1, which says, my brethren, it says, if a brother is overtaken in a fault, those who are spiritual restore such a one in the spirit of meekness, lest you also be tempted. All right. If I could localize that for you, when a brother is caught down bad and done something wrong, sinful, a sin, then the spiritual folk, not the carnal minded folk of the church, not the worldly minded folk, but spiritual people are charged with restoring that person. I don't remember seeing anything about condemnation, and we see all this condemnation around this land and country now. It ought to be restoration. Y'all can post this one, and not condemnation. Watch this. In the Greek language, that word restore in Galatians 6:1. I'll show y'all a little bit of my seminary education. That word restore in the verse 1 of Galatians chapter 6 in the Greek language gives the idea of the resetting of a bone. The resetting of a bone. You know how if you've ever had any broken bones, you had to go to the doctor, and the doctor had to reset the bone so it could heal and then function as it normally once did. Oh, I could shout right there. Y'all just missed it. And that's what the body is supposed to do. When a brother is overtaken in a fault, he's caught up in a sin or failed to sin. Instead of condemning, we ought to reset, place back in that person into their proper place so they can heal. So they can do what? So they can function again. Y'all don't hit me. That's just a little motivation and inspiration. Let's be restorers and not condemners. That'll make this world a better place, y'all. Y'all have a good Sunday. Got more content coming today later on. I'm gone.